My clicker actually just broke because they're plastic, so I think I'm going to. I've seen some billet ones. I think I'm going to order a set of those this week. Because it's really cold, like -5 or something this morning. This plastic just breaks. So we're going to take this top piece off all the way that I already loosened. And then the spring and cartridge is in there, and we'll drain the oil out. Okay, so we got that cap loose. Now I'm just going to tip this over and drain this oil out. Alright, we got the oil drained out. The next step is to pull down on this spring and slide a custom skinny, this one's real skinny wrench, 24 millimeter. Try to get it down here on this nut. Okay, got that in. We're going to take this cap, try to loosen this. Oh, whew, that is tight. There we go. Here we go. Pull our spring out. And then I've got to get this screw out right here, which will loosen my whole cartridge, and I'll be able to pull this cartridge out. And then we can work on replacing the seal and putting new oil back in. Just gonna dump any remaining oil out. Okay, I got the fork mounted in a vise, and then we're gonna go in this hole here with the 7 millimeter hex and loosen the bottom of the cartridge, and it'll allow us to pull this cartridge out. Okay, now we got that loose, we can pull cartridge out. There is the ring. pretty corroded. This ring is really rusty. And I don't have a new one. I just bought the seal, so I'm gonna have to clean that up. So now, should be able to this with that ring out, the seal's still in there. We should be able to just hit this out and pull the seal out. There we go.
Take a picture of it. The order is in.
And this is main seal.
You have something.
Huh?
And they only gave me two bottles.
Well, this is a separate. You can buy bushings separately. Like, see that shiny shit?
Mm-hmm.
I think I should probably change that. But this one, they said this has like a Teflon outer, this black, and if it rubs and you start seeing lines, you should replace it.
So is this the tool that you had to buy to?
That's the fork seal driver.
Okay.
Which I seen a guy.
Took it out.
Huh?
I thought you took it out.
No, that's the how far the shock is down. All it does is measure. And this slide, that's the first thing. So those are the inner seals. This is the pack of dust seals. So that goes up into the fork, yeah. That ring is down, I believe.
The if you seal wide, that goes in.
The spring goes in?
In, yeah.
You sure?
On mine it does. I watched a guy take it off and tighten it and put it back in, so.
Yeah, you're right. I think it is the inside. No, that's got to go up underneath. That right there has got to go up underneath.
Oh, then that must go to the dust shield.
Right, this is the dust shield.
Oh.
Oh yeah, that's way nice having this little thing.
Slide on.
So that's that.
See if it either.
That's the dust. Yeah, so when you clean it, you got to remove this, which is easy to remove. You just stick a screwdriver up in there and pry it
but
out.
when I... And what did I order then?
All right, I got the dust seal on. I got the main seal and then the dust cap. Springs are facing towards the foot on both of them. And then I am going to pull this bullet tool off. Then we're going to slide on inner bushing. And then the outer bushing. Oh, I think I gotta put this ring on first. That's not the right ring. That ring goes on here. Ah, crap. Take two on that. On this ring here, inner bushing. Oop, gotta take this off. Outer bushing. I'm trying to line that up, but I don't think it matters that much.
you need?
Yep,
Sound
popped
good.
in.
Yeah. So that's the out. It just pushes in. Then you don't need that tool.
I don't think so.
Just you're a big dude.
I just need to tap, I just need to tap on it.
Fucking you made one hand.
Okay. Alright, we put our spring on this one. On mine, I have this little collar down here. We weren't sure how that was set up, so we opened up the other shock real quick. But we just pulled the spring down, got the wrench back on this nut right here, and tighten this cap. And now we can put the cartridge back in and bolt it in through that hole there. Did you hold that up? No. Lean it, lean it. Take this out. Here's a rag. I think they were doing that.
What's more in there?
And it's easier to pour in.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got ways to go.
Riders on the storm.
Oh.
Riders on the storm. Into this house we're born. Into this world we're thrown. Like a dog without a bone, an actor out alone. Riders on the storm. There's a killer on the road. His brain is squirming like a toad. Take a long holiday and let your children play. If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die. Killer on the road, yeah.
Yeah, see, it just got easy.
And then
And I
hard.
remember on a video that when it does that, it's because it's getting the air out. It should be smooth. Yeah.
Take him by the hand, make him understand. The world on you depends, our life will never end. Gotta love your man, yeah.
Okay, that's on decent. I'll put this clicker on real quick. Just actually, I might. We got new ones coming, billet ones.